Good morning, children. This is Shubhal speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter 2, which is about linear equations in one variable. As of now, we have completed till exercise 2.3, and here in this video, we will discuss about exercise 2.4. 2.4 is really very interesting, and we really need to understand these concepts, which is about given in linear equation form. Given in statements form, and we need to extract this like statements into equation, and we have to solve it. So children, the first question about exercise 2.4, that is about Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. The first question is Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The results now obtain 3 times the same number she thought of. What is that number? Amina is thinking about a number. So what is that number? We don't know. So children, we can say let the number she thinks of let the number she thinks of be equal to x. As I don't know that number, I have taken x. She is thinking the number of x. Now, according to the question means ATQ, if she subtracts 5 by 2 from it, means x was that number which she has thought of, and if she subtracts 5 by 2 from it, okay, so let me write within the bracket 5 by 2, which is getting subtracted from x, and she multiplies it by 8, okay, and she multiplies it by 8, then the results now obtained 3 times the number she thought of. That is only equal to, if she subtracts 5 by 2 from the number she thought of, that number which I have taken x, if she subtracts 5 by 2 from x and multiply the result with 8, then the result becomes 3 times of the number she thought of. So she thought of number x, that is equal to 3x, children. That is equal to 3x. So let me write properly. That is equal to 3x. 3 times of x means 3x. Now children, what we need to do, we have to just solve it using a very simple concepts of linear equation, which I have already done in exercise 2.3. This number 8 will be multiplied with x and 5 by 2 both. So 8 into x means 8x, minus sign is coming from the bracket, and 5 by 2 into 8 means, as we all know, numerator and denominator gets multiplied. So 5 into 8 means 40 by 2 is equal to 3x. Now children, very similar process to be used. Let this 8x be in left hand side and transpose this plus 3x into left hand side. So the moment we are transposing plus 3x in the left hand side, now you might be thinking, sir, where is plus sign? There is no sign in front of 3x means plus. There is no sign matlab plus. So the moment I am transposing 3x from right hand side to the left hand side, it will become minus 3x. And this 40 by 2, which is written over here, it will be transposed to right hand side. It will become plus 40 by 2. As we all know that whenever we transpose any number, symbol changes. So children, I will be just cleaning a bit this side. Now 8x minus 3x results 5x. 8x minus 3x result 5x, and here it was 40 by 2. I can reduce them as 2 and 40 can be cancelled. 2 20s are 40. So my answer is 5x equal to 20. Then again x will be left and 5 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. It will become 20 by 5. then 5 and 20 will be cancelled, 4. So the value of x is equal to 4, means Amina thought of the number 4. So this is how we will get our answer. I believe it's clear to everyone. If no, please do watch it again. If still confusion is there, feel free to speak to me. Now children, let us solve question number 2. Question number 2, how will I solve? A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, means the question is, there is a positive number, I don't know what is that number. So let the number be equal to x. If one number is x, so naturally another number will be 5x. From where I am getting this 5x? From the question itself. In the question only it's mentioned it's 5 times of x. So I am getting 5x over here. After that, if 21 is added to both the numbers, if I add x plus 21 and if I add 5x plus 21, means I'm adding 21 with both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other number. So children, they are saying that this number will become twice of this number. This number, the new number which has been formed, it is twice of this number. So if I want to write the equal to sign in between them, 2 should be multiplied with this value or this value, with left hand side or right hand side. Of course with the left hand side, because this side is already double of it. So if I want to make them equal, 2 should be allowed to be multiplied with the left hand side, not with the right hand side, with the left hand side. Now let us multiply 2 with x. It will be 2x plus 2 into 21 results 42, equal to, here is 5x plus 21. So children, normal transposition process, 2x will be written here, 5x will be brought to this side, it will be minus 5x as it was plus 5x, and here it is 21 already from there beginning, and this is plus 42 will be transposed to the right hand side, it will become minus 42. Now let me clean a bit. Okay, now children, I'm writing from here, 2x minus 3x results, 2x minus 5x results minus 3x, equal to 21 minus 42 results minus 21. Okay, now this minus and this minus will be cancelled. As we all know that whenever we have the total left hand side and total right hand side are negative, minus and minus gets cancelled. Okay, now x will be left over here, here is 21, 3 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side, it will be divided by 3. As it was multiplied, it will be divided by 3. Now 3 and 21 will be cancelled, 7. So the value of x I am getting over here, that is 7. So what was that number, children, in the question, which was a hidden number? The hidden number was 7. This is how we have to bring our answer, we have to get our answer. I believe it's clear to everyone. If yes, okay. If no, feel free to speak to me. Watch this video. Your doubts will be cleared for sure. Till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. Thank you.